Transforming the maritime sector. The maritime sector is undergoing a transformation with the integration of the Internet of Things. In this essay, we will explore the impact of IoT on the maritime industry. 1. IoT enables real-time data collection on ships, including fuel consumption, engine performance, and cargo conditions. 2. Remote monitoring and control systems powered by IoT provide captains and crew members with critical information on their smartphones or tablets, enhancing decision-making and safety. 3. Drones equipped with IoT sensors conduct inspections of ship hulls and cargo containers, detecting issues and improving security measures. 4. Automation system guided by IoT technology streamline port operations, reducing human error and improving efficiency in container handling. IoT is revolutionizing the maritime sector by enhancing operational efficiency, safety, and sustainability. As IoT continues to evolve, further advancements can be expected, propelling the industry into a future of increased connectivity and optimization.